Hello guys, uh, today I have a service call in my own house. So my water heater is not working. I just walked into the mechanical room and see is saying the gold vapor, flammable vapor sensor. So let's have a look. So it's flashing 7 times. That means flammable vapor sensor. So okay, so in order to reset this gas valve, you have to shut the power off and take out the main power switch, at least for a minute. So this is the flammable vapor sensor. So I just did the hard reset. Let's see what happened. If not, so I'm gonna pull out the sensor and I'm gonna see if it's a faulty or not. Okay, now I'm putting back in.
Did you see? Did you see?
Gas on, power on. Put this here all the way 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the code is gone. So the sensor is gone. I might need to replace a new one. So guys, I replaced the sensor, the vapor sensor, new one. Now my water heater is running. All good.